by all means, go mad. Go mad or go bold and have fun. That is the most important thing. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all well and safe. I'm just having my filming on Saturday. You probably see this, well, you will definitely see this on Monday. So I've got weekend off full of crafting, and I've got lots of things I want to do. So today I thought it's the first time I do it, so I'm hoping that it works. As I said to you guys, this is not a how-to channel. So I told you this a million times. This channel is about me sharing the journey, my creative journey, with you all, and I'm hoping that I will give you some ideas. That's the whole point of my channel. So today I want to make I don't have any gesso at home. Gesso is that usual paste that, you know, you use it to create 3D layers and stuff. I don't have it. It's not worth it, the money for me to buy it, because I'm not a mixed media person. So I won't use it a lot to justify the expense. But I saw on Pinterest that you can make it yourself using just two ingredients. One is baby powder. I'm using this Johnson's. It's a baby powder. It's literally cost £1 from Wilko. It smells like a baby. You know, the usual fragrance of this baby products. That's what it smells like. And Mod Podge. And I have don't know if it's gonna be enough. So I saw on pictures you only needed these two ingredients to make your own paste, and I don't know where I put my eggs container, so you need to wait. I think I need to pause it, yeah, because I can't find it. I found it. So I'm going to use this. I always suggest you guys keep this, because they are amazing containers, and depends what you use, you can just peel it off and chuck it in the recycled paper. I'm going to move my lovely candles. This is the Yankee. It's an old Christmas one. It smells like cinnamon. It's my ultimate favorite Yankee candle smell. I love it. So the room smells like Christmas, but I love it. Really, really love it. Right, so I've never seen this before. Look, you just open it like that. So what you do, you put loads of baby powder. Oops, possibly everywhere. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like very fresh and clean. There. So for today, I've bought this book. I bought this book from eBay. It's The Birds of the Countryside. It's the Country Diary from Roger, whatever it's called, Lovegrove. It's just a book of birds, which is taking the inspiration from the countryside series. So bought this for a couple of pounds, and I love this page. You see it, and also love the illustration. So I thought we're going to have a little play, and I'm using some of my very old stencil. So we're going to do like a not mixed media, because again, I won't go as far as that, but I want to create some 3D embellishment on this illustration, and then create like very simple tags. But again, it's all about, I want to try if this paste works. So I've got 3 pages. That's the second with this huge bird. So we're going to, I thought we're using this stencil here, and then we got this little one there, which we're going to use this one. You won't see me apply the paste using the stencil, because otherwise you're going to fall asleep, and I don't want you to fall asleep. But as I said several times, feel free to fall asleep. I mean, if I can help falling asleep, by all means. But yeah, no, try not to. Right, so I'm simply judging using my eye. So I don't really know if I need water. No, it didn't say to add any water. Oh God, the smell. and I'm using a super chip and cheerful brush. So you basically got to get like a paste that it looks like gesso, funny enough. Okay, now I think the challenge will be, oh no, it's actually easier than I thought. Okay, because I thought this would be very sticky, but it's not actually. Actually, I'm very impressed. Okay, I should have put some tape. Should I put some tape on? Maybe not. But I don't want to cover the entire picture. And let's do that one here. Actually, it's easier than I thought, because when I saw this on Pinterest, there wasn't any video or anything. It was just a picture. So they say, I can't remember if I found it. If I find the link, I'll share it. It's called DIY homemade gesso, something like that. Yeah, so basically, in fact, wait a minute, bear with me one sec, let me zoom in. So let me try to explain it. So when I get the paste from there, you see it comes like in a blob. Now if you kind of blend it, if it's the right word, you get a really thin layer. If you actually build it up, so put these on top of what I just put, then you get your 3D effect. Now I'm going a bit over the top, so this paste is going to be really thick, but that's the effect that I want. So that's that, and then we're probably going to go back in there and just put some more paste in there. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it set for a couple of minutes, and then I remove the stencil, and that should leave us the leaves on the paper, if it makes sense. So yeah, building it depends how thick you want it, I guess. Again, because I've not tried it before, I don't know how long it will take to set, but of course I'll let you know. So I'm like a guinea pig. So I'll try and error for you, so you don't have to make a mistake. So let me make a mistake, and then so you can just play along. So funny that you say you guinea pig, isn't it? Like, it's super cute. Guinea pigs, they are, aren't they? Right, I don't want, as I said, because that's going to be my tag, I don't want to cover it too much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this off camera. What is the bird here? Oh, so the bird is all over the place. So why this one don't we do a little card, like a journaling card or a greeting? Right, leave this with me. I'm going to make some more paste because I ran out. So as you can see, you need quite a lot of Mod Podge, but not a lot of powder. So you just need to get the right consistency. Okay, so I'm going to make some more. I'm going to play with this. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to tell you how long it takes to dry, and then I'll be right back. Okay, after 1 hour, I want to say at least an hour. Let me come back to this. So they're completely dry. So I don't know. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it. And it feels, can you see, like a very really nice texture. So it really worked. I'm really pleased with it. So yeah, so that's one. And what am I gonna try to do, we do it together, we do on one of it just in case it doesn't work. And I love these. You see the leaves? Oh, very nice. On this one here, so I have another, and as I was doing, I had a little light bulb moment. So that's the white one. And on here, I thought, what about we add a tiny little bit of gold mica? So as I was mixing it, the mixture was actually really nice. Can you see from the actual mixture? It looks beautiful. It looks like proper gold. Don't know if you can see. yeah, it sparkle. On the actual page, it looks gold and it sparkle. However, I don't know how can I describe it. So it is gold because you can see any sparkles. So look how beautiful it is. But it's more, I think it's due to the glue, because when it dries, it's kind of like get loose brightness. So on here, you can tell when it's still a bit. So you got, in fact, so you got two parts on here. This one here, which is dry, because it's less layer, and this one here on the bottom when it's still a bit wet. Can you see the intensity of the gold? And this is what I'm trying to get to. So on here, I love it, don't get me wrong guys, I really like it, but it's not as bright as it was when I first mixed it. Okay, so that's the gold, the wet gold. That is beautiful. Okay, it looks like proper carrot gold that when you melt. And then here when it's dry, and don't get me wrong guys, look how sparkly it is, but it's just not as bright. That's it. Because otherwise I'll repeat myself in circle. Okay, so let's try, because I don't really like the white. It was just more like an experiment. If I go back, get my gilder, and then I'm gonna go on top of it with the gold. Yes. But you need to be very gentle, because I want the gold just on the surface of the leaves. I don't want it on the paper like I just did. So very gentle. Yeah. I love it. Yeah, I am extremely very happy. Yeah, definitely. Yes. And do this one as well while we're doing it. So I guess if you got micas, but I would like to believe that this is going to work even if you use acrylic. If you don't have any mica powder, you guys can try it, let me know. But I guess you can add some acrylic paint to make the paste any color. The beauty of mica, and this is why I love working with micas, it's because you get the metallic finish, that sparkly finish that I am particularly obsessed. I really like anything that shines. You see, oh yeah, that is beautiful. Okay, and while we're here, we just do this as well. Now, as you can see, in fact, I'll show you in just a sec once it's all covered in gold, because you decide how thick is the paste between the layers. Some bits, like this petal here, is, you see how the thickness of the blob, yeah, you can probably see better there. Some parts are really thin, but again, it all depends how thick you apply when you apply the paste. In fact, let's have a look gold on gold, what it looks like. Yeah, you see, with this gold on top, it makes it brighten it up, because it's more like dull without the gold. But I do like it. Right, close this so it don't dry. Okay, I clean my finger with the baby wipe. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to cut off the tags, you know, the tags shape. I'm going to put some gold all over it, and I'll be right back. Okay, I changed my mind. In the beginning of the video, I said I will do cards, but no. I'll stick with tags. So that's one. Very, I mean, that's the side, that's my hand. They're huge. So this is huge. And then, as you can see, that's the paste that we made today. Love it. So that's one. That's a little teeny one. And again, I didn't want to put like a thicker ribbon and, you know, because I would just all want to be about the tag, not the decoration. So that's why I use a very simple gold thread, because it's all about the picture and it's all about the paste. Okay, but if you like proper heavy mixed media, by all means go mad or go bold and have fun. That is the most important thing. Guys, that's it for today. Let me know if will experiment and make your own paste. Let me know what color you'll be making it, if you're making it in gold, blue, or whatever. Guys, just have fun, and that is the main purpose. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. It will really help with the channel doing well and the growth. That really means a lot to me, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well.